Antileprotic drugs. Role number 81. Leprosy is a chronic infectious disease caused by Mycobacterium leprae, which is an acid-fast bacillus. Types of leprosy. Lepromatous leprosy. The cell-mediated immunity is impaired against lepra bacilli, hence the course of the disease progresses very rapidly. This is characterized by extensive bilateral skin lesions which contain numerous lepra bacilli. Tuberculoid leprosy. The cell-mediated immunity is intact and is characterized by predominant peripheral nerve involvement with a single or few skin lesions. The bacilli are rarely seen. Plenty of lepra bacilli are seen in the skin lesions of borderline lepromatous, and lepromatous leprosy. Hence, these groups are called as multibacillary leprosy. Borderline tuberculoid (BT), tuberculoid (TT), and intermediate I leprosy are referred to as paucibacillary leprosy, that is PBL. Drugs used for the treatment of leprosy. Dapsone or diamino diphenyl sulfone DDS, clofazimine, rifampin, ethionamide, ofloxacin, moxifloxacin, minocycline, and clarithromycin are the drugs which is used in leprosy. Dapsone or diamino diphenyl sulfone DDS. Dapsone, a sulfone, is the oldest, cheapest, and most widely used agent for the treatment of leprosy even today. Mechanism of action. Sulfones are chemically related to sulfonamides and have the same mechanism of action. Lepra bacilli utilize para-aminobenzoic acid PABA for the synthesis of folic acid, which in turn is necessary for its growth and multiplication. Dapsone is structurally similar to PABA, hence competitively inhibits folate synthetase enzyme and prevents the formation of THFA, that is tetrahydrofolic acid. Thus, dapsone produces leprostatic effect. Pharmacokinetics. Dapsone is given orally and is almost completely absorbed from the gut. It is bound to plasma protein, widely distributed in the body, concentrated mainly in the infected skin, muscle, liver, kidney, etc. It is partly secreted in bile and undergoes enterohepatic cycling. Dapsone is metabolized by acetylation and metabolites are excreted in urine. Adverse effects. The common adverse effects are dose-related hemolytic anemia, particularly in patients with G6PD deficiency. Other side effects are anorexia, nausea, vomiting, fever, headache, allergic dermatitis, itching, and peripheral neuropathy. Methemoglobinemia can also occur. Dapsone may cause exacerbation of lesions, sulfone syndrome, which is characterized by fever, dermatitis, pruritus, lymphadenopathy, methemoglobinemia, anemia, and hepatitis. Rifampicin. It is the most effective and rapidly acting bactericidal drug for lepra bacilli. It kills most of the lepra bacilli. Clofazimine. It is a phenazine dye and has leprostatic activity against lepra bacilli. It has anti-inflammatory effect, hence is also useful in the treatment of type 2 lepra reaction. Clofazimine binds to microbial DNA to inhibit its template function. It also has activity against dapsone-resistant organism. It is given orally. Fatty meal increases its absorption. It accumulates in tissue. Half-life is 70 days. It causes reddish-black discoloration of the skin on exposed parts. It can cause pigmentation of the conjunctiva and cornea, discoloration of hair, tears, sweat, urine, etc. Nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and abdominal pain are its other side effects. It's contraindicated in pregnancy. Ethionamide. It is a second-line anti-tubercular drug and is also effective against lepra bacilli. Ethionamide can be used as an alternative drug when there is a contradiction for the use of clofazimine or if it is unacceptable. It may cause hepatotoxicity, The other agents that are found to be effective against leprobacilli are minocycline, clarithromycin, pfloxacin and ofloxacin. Clarithromycin, it is a macrolide antibiotic and has bactericidal activity against Mycobacterium leprae. Minocycline, it is the only tetracycline that has antileprotic activity. Ofloxacin, it has significant bactericidal activity against leprobacilli. Moxifloxacin, it has potent antileprotic activity. Chemotherapy of leprosy. WHO recommends the use of multi-drug therapy, that is MDT, for all leprosy cases. The objectives and need for MDT are: number 1, to make the patient non-contagious as early as possible by killing the dividing bacilli. Number 2, to prevent the development of drug-resistant bacilli. 3rd, to prevent relapse. 4th, to shorten the duration of effective therapy. Treatment schedules of leprosy. All drugs are administered orally. Number 1, for multibacillary leprosy, that is LL, BL and BB, rifampicin 600 mg once monthly, clofazimine 300 mg once monthly is supervised, plus dapsone 100 mg daily plus clofazimine 50 mg daily, unsupervised, self-administered. The duration of treatment is 1 year and later the patient should be followed up for a period of 3 to 5 years. If clofazimine is unacceptable, the alternative drug used is ethionamide, that is 250 mg daily, unsupervised. Number 2, for paucibacillary leprosy, that is TT, BT and I, rifampicin 600 mg once monthly supervised plus dapsone 100 mg daily unsupervised. The duration of treatment is 6 months and later the patient should be followed up for a period of 1 to 2 years. Number 3, alternative regimens, clofazimine plus any 2 newer drugs, that is minocycline, ofloxacin, clarithromycin, etc. daily for 6 months, followed by clofazimine plus ofloxacin or minocycline daily for another 18 months. For single lesion paucibacillary leprosy, that is ROM regimen, rifampicin 600 mg, ofloxacin 400 mg and minocycline 100 mg oral as a single dose. Lepra reactions. These are immunologically mediated reactions that occur during the course of disease. The exact cause of such reaction is not clear and is usually precipitated by infection, trauma, mental stress, etc. There are 2 types of reaction. Number 1, type 1 lepra reaction, which is also known as reversal reaction. It is a delayed type of hypersensitivity reaction and is seen in leprosy, both multibacillary and paucibacillary cases. Example BLBT, etc. There are signs of inflammation in the existing skin lesions. They become red, warm and swollen. New lesions may appear. Nerves are frequently affected. They are tender and painful. General symptoms are not common. They are treated with clofazimine or prednisolone. Type 2 lepra reaction, erythema nodosum leprosum, ENL. It occurs in cases of lepromatous leprosy. It is a type 3 hypersensitivity reaction, that is Arthur's type. There is erythema nodosum, that is red, painful, tender, cutaneous and subcutaneous nodules. Nerves may be affected. Constitutional symptoms are present. The type 2 reaction may be due to release of antigen from the dying lepra bacilli. Severe form of type 2 reaction is treated with thalidomide, but pregnancy is the absolute contraindication for its use. The other drugs used are aspirin, clofazimine, chloroquine and prednisolone. Thank you.